Lexi babes, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm not making lip gloss. I am showing you all how to navigate your Shopify website. So this is my website. This is how it looks when you first pull it up. And here I'm just showing you my slideshow that I put into the front page. So I wanted my website to have everything listed right on the front page to make my customers want to click and see what's going on. So I have everything that I offer right here on the front page. All my customers have to do is just click one of these collection tabs and then they'll see that category. So as you keep scrolling down, there's just some information about me and my business. And then my menu tab is located on the left-hand side. Here are all the categories, everything I have to offer. So here's where I show you the free theme that I chose to use from Shopify. And as you can see that there are a lot of different free themes that you can choose from. It's really about making the website your own. So now I'm going to show you all how I actually made my logo using Picsart. So what you're actually going to do is scroll down to the color backgrounds. I'm going to scroll until I get to the hot pink because that's the color that I have as my business. And then I'm going to go ahead and type my business name. So now I'm going to scroll to the font that I used to make my logo previously. And then I'm going to click the scroll icon just so that that white can pop. So now I'm going to click sticker. This is actually the way that I make all my pictures stand out using stickers from Picsart. It makes your pictures look really good. I'm even talking about like product pictures, but that's besides the point. So I'm going to search eye or eyelash to try to find the same eye that I used when I made my logo almost a year ago. So I couldn't find the exact eye that I used to make my logo before. So I went with this one. And now I'm going to go ahead and blend that and then hit multiply so that it blends with the background. And then I'm going to place it where I want it. So now I'm going to search lip gloss so that I can also add that to my logo as well, because I do offer mink lashes, lip gloss, and sunglasses. So now I'm going to position the lip gloss how I had it before in my logo before. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did to the eye. I'm going to go ahead and blend that. But the difference between this time, I am going to scroll over to overlay so that it can give it that nice purple bright color and actually blend behind the words. So for the final piece to my logo, I'm going to search sunglasses and insert that as well. So once I resized that and placed it where I would like, that is how I created my logo. So now we are back at Shopify, and this is basically how the homepage looks. It just has a little bit of information here and there. It's just a nice quick glance. So now we're going to go to our orders, and this is where you get notifications about if someone has placed the order and all the information. So unfulfilled would mean that you need to go ahead and fulfill that order for the customer and ship it out, get it to them. And here's where you can find abandoned checkouts. I literally check this like every day. It shows you when a customer has visited your store and they did not fulfill their checkout. So they just added stuff to their cart, but they didn't check out. Now we're at our products tab. This is where you see all of your products that you have listed on your site. A draft status basically means that you created a product, but you didn't make it active. So only you can see it. So now we're at my collections tab, and this is my favorite just because it gives my customers easy access to every product that I have to offer. So now, lucky for you, I'm actually on canva.com, and I'm going to show you exactly how I made each of my collections tabs. So all you basically have to do is go to background, and I chose that pink color just because pink it goes with my theme. And then I'm going to add a picture of my lip gloss from my lip/facial care tab. And then you're just going to turn that pink down a little bit so that it can blend. And then I'm going to show you the text that I use to make that cute little font. So now I'm just going to change the words to what I needed to say. I'm going to just put shop glosses, and then I'm just going to size it right. And then that's how you have it. That's how I made each collections tab for my website. So now here we are back at Shopify. I am going to go to my overview dashboard. So this is, it just shows you all of your online store sessions for that day, for that week. You can make it show whatever you want it to see. You also can see how many visitors are live on your site as well. And then another thing that I love about Shopify is that they have a lot of different marketing strategies and things that you can use. So I really, really like that. And then now I'm going to show you just the discounts. It's really self-explanatory when you think about it. So you can just create either a discount code or automatic discount. So yeah, Shopify is really not hard to navigate at all. I really highly recommend it. Also, if you wanted to know what app I use for the snowfall effect, this is it right here. So anytime you want to make any type of changes to your Shopify website, you just click customize. And then here in my header, this is where I actually put the Happy New Year, enjoy free shipping, all of that information. And you also can tag a link as well so that when people click it, they'll go straight to whatever you put in the header. So like I said, Shopify is really amazing for beginners because this is the first time I ever created a website and I feel like it turned out very, very well. Here is where I just added some pictures for my slideshow. Like this is just what I wanted people to see when they first clicked on my link. Here you can adjust whatever size you want the slide to be, if you want it to be big or small. And then you also can change how fast the slides move, if you wanted to move every 3 seconds or every 9 seconds. And then here is just where I place all of the slides that I made on Canva. I just put them all here so it's nice and pretty and makes you want to click it. And then adding a nice professional picture of you and a nice message is always a great thing to have on your website as well. Shopify also gives you the options to show all of the payments that you offer, just so that when the customer comes to your site, they see, oh, hey, they have all of these different type of payments I can make. That's great. So here in the theme settings, this is where you can change and customize every single color, every font. This is where you get like down to the nitty gritty. You get to choose whatever font and colors that you want for your website. So I really like the social media tab because this is where you can add your logo. This is where, like, if someone shares the link to your website through a text or anything, they'll see this picture. So I really like that. And then Shopify also gives you the option to include all your Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Tumblr, anything that you have, YouTube, all of that. All of the exposure that you possibly can get, Shopify makes sure that you can get it. So that is pretty much how you navigate your Shopify website. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that this video helped you in a way. It is currently 12 a.m. right now. So I just want you guys to know that I'm really working hard trying to get these videos out for y'all. Be sure to follow my TikTok and my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. And you have a blessed day.